Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of September. I'll pop these right here. Let's dive in. Alright beauties, if you've never seen an Ipsy unboxing, a Boxycharm unboxing, they're monthly beauty subscription boxes. This particular one you get 5 full-size items. As a subscriber we get to pick 3. I always miss out on my choices because I don't like spoilers and I like to genuinely be surprised. Oh, elephant in the room. I changed my hair. I got a big chop, got some layers added, and I put some red in my hair and I am literally obsessed with it, you guys. I might like this better than the purple and the green. But I was prepping for fall, so yeah, we have new hair. Anyways, the theme for September, September 2025, more is more. This month dares you to dial up the glam with rich colors, decadent formulas, and skin that glows like it's gilded, because the best beauty moments are the ones that feel like a little luxury. It'll usually tell us what's on the back and what's in our box, but I'm not going to look at that just yet. It does come packaged pretty well, and I always feel like I get a great bang for my buck with subscription boxes, advent calendars, things like that. Because for me, it's an affordable way to start a collection if you're kind of newer to, makeup, beauty, skincare. If you have a younger beauty who's kind of dipping their toes into the beauty spectrum, it's a really affordable way to kind of test a ton of different brands and not break the bank. So let's dive in. Ooh, first thing right on top, I see the Viseart Paris, the Seamless Setting Powder. That sounds nice. Next up is the Real Her Elegant Charm Lip Liner. Next up is the Color Wow Money Mist Luxe Light Leave-In Conditioner for glossy, expensive-looking hair. I've actually heard really great things about this, so I'm really excited to try this. And I'm going to venture to say this is probably worth the entirety of our box. So far we have a powder, a lip liner, and a hair product. Next up, oh, these feel nice already. We have Tice Beauty or TYS Beauty, the Treat Yourself Brush Set with a powder brush, sets angle face, packed powder overall, and then a blush brush blends and diffuses cheeks. I might keep these. I don't want to open them just in case I don't. And anything that I know that I will not use, maybe I already feel like I have enough of it, whatever the case may be, it generally ends up in my resale group over on Facebook, and that's always linked down below. And I'm hella cheap, just saying. But I like the shape. I like the handles. I think they look really, really nice quality, and they have a really good weight. So I think I would probably like those a lot. And then last up in my Boxycharm by Ipsy, this feels heavy, whatever it is. This is the Pear Nova Pink Cheek Palette. It says Beam, Vivid, and Spark. And this feels incredibly heavy, you guys. This feels very well made. Ooh, and it's got pink packaging. If you are new here, pink is my favorite color, pink and yellow, and I like that it's like a slight ombre as well. I think it's going to give, yeah, it's got like the little trio vibes, like the Patrick Ta ones. There's obviously several on the market. I do have a couple of these, and I don't always gravitate toward them, so I probably will not use this. It will probably end up in my resale group. All right, so rundown, we have our blush, we have our powder, we have a lip liner, our brushes, and the Color Wow Money Mist. I think overall, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 still. Not maybe necessarily products I'm going to, use all the time, but I do feel like, especially for, that $32, $35 price point, we're looking at roughly $7 per item. So I kind of break it down in that manner, and I feel like I got my money's worth. Let's go down some deets. We had our Viseart, the Seamless Setting Powder. Get a flawless finish without the flashback with this ultra fine, soft matte, long-wearing setting powder. Perfect for all complexions, this translucent powder helps to absorb oil, blur fine lines, and dial up the longevity of your makeup. You won't want to snap another selfie without it. And this is a full size, of course everything is, for $35. Next up was our Real Her Dual-Ended Lip Liner. Contouring your lips has never been easier or more comfy than with this dual-ended lip liner. It features 2 versatile shades and a nourishing formula powered by carnauba wax and shea butter, which is rich in vitamins A, E, and F for all-day lip pampering and pigment that lasts. Twist up to reveal, trace around your lips. We all understand how to use these. Manufacturer resale price, and the price of this is $18. Let me kind of get up close to show you guys. They look like really kind of, you know, more nudie, universal type shades. So I'm excited about that. Next up is the Tice Beauty brush set. Your brush collection isn't complete without these two essential vegan face brushes. They're designed to help your products blend seamlessly with the powder brush, perfect for applying powder formulas, and the blush brush for diffusing liquid blushes. That's kind of a little smaller than I would generally use. That's what I'm saying. I would maybe use it like for under the eyes or something like that. Maybe even for highlight, but you know, use a brush how you want to use a brush, okay? And these are obviously full size for $48. Would I ever in a million years pay $48 for this? No. Hence liking subscription boxes. Next up is the Color Wow, the Money Mist Leave-In Conditioner. Unlock your most luxe looking hair with this lightweight leave-in conditioner. It detangles to help reduce breakage, fights frizz for a smoother texture, and helps protect hair from heat and UV rays, making it a multitasking MVP that leaves your hair feeling like $1,000,000. And this is mist evenly throughout clean, damp hair, then comb through the hair to distribute. Do not rinse out. This is $29 by itself. And then last up, we had the Pear Nova Cheek Palette in pink. All you've ever wanted in a blush is right here in this cheek palette. It features Beam, a rose-hued cream formula, Vivid, a bubblegum pink matte, and Spark, a lavender rose pearl. Get ready to blend, build, and buff your way to your new favorite blush look. And this is a full size, of course, for $27.50. It's not blowing my socks off, but it's not a bad curation. And I actually like the overall selection of everything. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Are we box twins? I'd love to know. Let's have that conversation down below. I am on the road to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I can only do that with your help. So if you do see this and you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. You could also turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. And there's a new feature that YouTube rolled out with called the hype button. So if you see that on your end, it would really help me if you did hype the video up. And you can also become a channel member for some exclusive perks. The link to join is down below. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!